Taking smart decisions will ensure that you always stay one step ahead in life. One such smart decision is choosing the right investment product. SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan assures a guaranteed return while providing a life insurance cover. This video will help you to decide whether investing in the SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan is a smart decision or not. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life endowment assurance savings product. In this video, let us discuss the features, maturity benefit, death benefit, advantages and disadvantages of this plan. Let us also compute the IRR for this plan and compare it with other investments. First, let us discuss the features of SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan. Get life cover along with assured returns. The premium paying frequency could be monthly or yearly as per your convenience. Pay for just 6 or 7 years and enjoy the benefit throughout the policy term of 12 or 15 years respectively. Guaranteed additions of 5.25% to 5.75% at the end of each policy year. Tax benefit as per Section 80C and Section 1010D. Now let us look at the benefits under SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan. Guaranteed additions. The SBI Life Smart Platina Assures offers a rate of guaranteed addition based on the two premium slabs. For annualized premium of less than 1 lakh, the GA is 5.25% per annum, and for premium amount of rupees 1 lakh or more, the GA is 5.75% per annum. Maturity benefit. Guaranteed sum assured on maturity, that is basic sum assured plus accrued guaranteed addition is payable on maturity. Next, death benefit. In the unfortunate event of death of life assured, sum assured on death along with accrued guaranteed additions, if any, will be payable to the beneficiary. Where sum assured on death is higher of 10 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death. Now let us weigh the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan. Advantages. With the payment of limited premium, you enjoy the life cover for the whole policy term. All the benefits under the SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan is guaranteed. It is a non-linked and a non-participating policy. Guaranteed additions will boost your maturity value. Loan facilities are available to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Now let us look at the disadvantages. The maturity benefit will not be sufficient to meet the inflated cost of your financial goals. The life cover is inadequate to meet your family's future needs. The above features and other details can't help you in your investment decision. By calculating the returns, you can decide whether to buy this plan or not. Also, this return can be compared with other investment returns. SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan. Here is the IRR analysis. Let us assume that a 40-year-old male buys the SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan for a sum assured of rupees 8,40,000. The policy term is 15 years and the premium paying term is 7 years. The annualized premium is rupees 1 lakh. After paying premium for 7 years, he would receive the maturity benefit at the end of 15 years. In case of unfortunate event of death, the nominee will get 10 lakh plus accrued guaranteed additions, if any, as death benefit. He would receive a guaranteed maturity benefit of 13,23,000 along with guaranteed addition if he survives the policy term. The IRR for this cash flow is 5.4%, which is lower than a bank FD rate. Any investment in the long run should beat inflation, but SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan fails to beat the inflation. This maturity value will not be sufficient to meet the inflated cost of financial goals. SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan has both life cover and investment options. We can compare the return of this policy with other investment alternatives. For comparison, we can assume pure term insurance for life cover and invest in an investment product separately for our financial goals. Here in the illustration, the life cover is rupees 10 lakh, which is inadequate. It is advisable to take adequate life cover for yours for yourself before starting your investment journey. A pure term insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakh would cost 15,500 for a limited paying term of 5 years. The policy term is 15 years. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 7 years. So, in the last 2 years, the entire amount of rupees 1 lakh is available for investment. Let us assume PPF and ELSS for investment purpose. Under PPF, the minimum term period with contribution is 15 years, but in the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is just 7 years. In order to make a 15-year contribution, we have made some adjustments in the 7th year premium. So, in the last 8th year, a minimum contribution of rupees 500 is deposited in the PPF account. Under ELSS, in the first 5 years, the amount left after paying the pure term insurance premium is utilized for investment. In the next 2 years, the entire 1 lakh is utilized for ELSS investment. The fund grows as such in the last 8 years. The final maturity value is subject to capital gains. The tax calculation is given here. The IRR under PPF and pure term insurance combo is 6.04%, and the IRR for pure term insurance is pure term insurance plus ELSS combo is 10.21%, which is post tax. The returns from ELSS mutual fund are higher than the SBI Life Smart Assured plan. The ELSS investment can beat inflation comfortably in the long run. This helps you in accumulating corpus. Now we have come to the ending part, final verdict on SBI Life Smart Platina Assured Plan. It is a guaranteed return savings plan that provides life cover for your family. It inculcates the habit of saving. But the main point here is that savings should aid you in fulfilling your life's financial goals. This endowment plan fails to do so. Down the lane, the cost of your financial goal increases due to inflation. Though the maturity benefit under this policy is guaranteed, it won't be sufficient to meet your financial goals. Also, the sum assured in SBI Life Smart Platina Assure is inadequate. You can consider a pure term life insurance policy for an adequate sum assured. The sum assured offered by the pure term policy is high. At the same time, it is available at a convenient premium cost. List your financial goals and invest in a diversified portfolio based on your risk appetite and time horizon. Never mix your savings with insurance. Always consult with your financial planner to customize your investment plan that best suits your financial needs. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.